Hey, Tyler here. Let me tell you something real quick. Just about everything is worth experiencing. However, not everything is worth trying out. I mentioned on my first book, and maybe on the second book, I'm not sure, but definitely on the first book, that try everything, experience everything. But then again, come to think of it, there are some stuff that are just not worth trying because otherwise, if you do it, it might affect you. When it comes to addiction or something that affects your mind and body kind of stuff. I know this one kid I used to go to school with. It's like there was alcohol involved and then fell and landed right on his head from a 3-story building, and now he doesn't have the ability to talk and paralyzed. It's a rough deal. If you ask me personally and what happened, I can tell you the whole story. But yeah, but it's I always say try just about everything. But then again, you gotta be smart. You gotta know what are worth trying, whether it's different foods or activities and sports. Try being much more social. Try being an introvert or an extrovert, that kind of thing. And those are safe things worth trying for. And if you do not like them, that's totally okay. And if you do, then it enhances your character. So go out there, make some good decisions and give it all a try. Because over at AutismWorks, as CEO, Tyler McNamer, I believe in the try. So go out there, give it a try, and I will see you in the next video. So let's try it together.